It's Tuesday today and it's the 17th. Yeah, it's the 17th of November. And today guys, I have a visitor. Yung mga friends ko from work, they coming to our place cause late birthday get together. But yeah. But anyway guys, we're just going to Spotlight today cause I'm just gonna buy some blinds. And I'll show you guys later. Dito kami guys sa Spotlight. It's so hard to choose, guys. There's so many of them. Oh my god. Guys, 2 hours later. It's so hard to decide. There's so many specials to choose from. But I got a lucky catch because I got a VIP card. So from 109, I only got it for 39 bucks.
190?
109 something. Oh, $119. So yeah, very good. So we will have a look and try it on later, guys. Ang gaganda. Friends are here, guys. Tibing, Amy, Ate Jo, and Linda in the backyard. And they also brought me some presents. So flowers. Ito na, may isa pa dyan.
Gusto mong kulay.
Ang daming food.
So, add ko mga...
May ano pa ako. May cook pa ako. Ha?
Yung flat na.
Flat na. Straight ahead. Turn right. Hindi marunong. Yan. Oo nga.
Mag-bathtub ka na.
Star food.
Welcome. Very noisy. Permit is not working today.
Was it home?
Yeah. Pastora.
Sige na, Day. Pastora.
Bilis. Bilis. Bless Lord, bless this food, Lord. Bless the hands that would prepare in this food. Bless this family. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. Kain, guys.
Ibig ka na. Mine.
Oo nga. Video kay time.
Hindi, parang na pag gabi at ay mga bata, mga kasama mo doon.
Thank you for the present. Uwi na sila, guys.
Sana paano mo yung yung semi-clone shell?
Ha? Paano kaya si Ben nakalabas? Let's open our presents, guys. So yan siya. Beautiful flowers from Amy. This is from Pinay. What is this? I think this is ito siya from Inday. Thank you. A card from Ate Jola. That's beautiful. It's pretty. Oh, from Ate Jola. This is from Ate Jola as well. Wow, that's pretty. That's a nice cup. Thanks, Ate Jola. It's a very fancy box. Umuwi na yung mga friends ko, guys. Nakapagplansya na rin ako ng uniform. And this is our vlog for today. Ang init sa labas. Nakapagligo na rin ako. So, I'm good for tomorrow. So, thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!